how to fix Instagram notes change not working. So if you want to fix your Instagram notes color change not working, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with your messages and then tap on your notes. And under notes, you can write something and tap on your note. And here it says you need to express yourself with a colorful note. You can now customize your note by adding color and an emoji. So tap on try it, which will be on the bottom. And here you can go and change the colors. Now tap on apply and tap on share, and that's it. Your Instagram note has been shared. Right. But if you don't get this color option, what you need to do is you need to go and update your application because it's the newest update. And if you've not updated your application, you won't have that feature. As you can see that in my case also, I've just got that feature. So you need to open up your Play Store, and on your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates under your Instagram, you need to go and update it. Now, once you've updated, you'll find that feature. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix, then we can go back, search for Instagram, tap and hold on to your Instagram application, go with app info. Under your app info, you need to go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. And once you've cleared your cache, you need to go back, and now you need to restart your device. After restarting, the problem will be fixed. You can go and log into your Instagram and then go with your notes, and you will have that feature. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.